I am America. The land you sing about. The flag you wave. The idea you pledge to. But lately, I don't recognize myself. There was a time when you believed in me, fought for me, cried for me, stood together, not against each other. But now, you're louder than ever. Yet you're not listening to each other at all. You scream red or blue, left or right or wrong. But what about what's true? You're busy blaming each other for the fire, while the house burns around you. Inflation squeezes your pockets, but greed holds the hose. Homeless tents line the streets of billion-dollar cities. Families work 2 jobs, yet can't afford the roof over their heads. You scroll past it. You film it. You argue about it. But you don't feel it anymore. I used to be the land of opportunity. Now I see your children drowning in debt before they even begin. I see your veterans forgotten, your elders silenced, your youth numbing their pain in silence. And when you cry out, you hear the echo, but not the answer, because you've filled every space with noise. News that divides, leaders who shout, algorithms that feed your fears and steal your peace. I am tired. Tired of carrying the weight of division. Tired of being used like a brand instead of a bond. Tired of being worshipped when it's easy and abandoned when it's hard. You used to dream. You built bridges and rockets and poetry. You believed in something bigger than yourselves. But now, you tear down before you build. You cancel before you ask. You follow trends more than truth. And yet, I still believe in you. I still see the mother raising her kids with nothing but faith. The teacher showing up, even when underpaid and unseen. The small-town worker with calloused hands and an honest heart. The teenager questioning everything. Because they want something real. There is hope here, buried beneath the chaos. There is still kindness, still courage, still soul. But if you don't wake up, if you don't look past your screens and slogans, if you don't find your common humanity again, then I won't survive. Not as the America you knew. Because a country is more than laws and leaders. It's people, it's memory, it's heart. And my heart is breaking, from the inside out. Not because of enemies abroad, but because of the anger at home, the bitterness, the forgetting of grace. So here I am, whispering, maybe for the last time. Remember me, not the perfect version of me, not the myth, but the fight, the faith, the fragile, beautiful, unfinished story that we wrote together. I am still here, but I need you to come back to me, to each other, before I become just another chapter in someone else's history book. I am America, and I'm still holding on, but I don't know for how much longer.